Hello traders worldwide, welcome back again. This is MJ Crypto, and this video I am going to show you how to earn passive income on Gate.io without risk. Keyword there, without risk. Now if you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications. This is what we do. We share updates like this every single time for you so that you become profitable with ease. Now Gate.io has a lot of opportunities that you can tap into, and I'm just going to talk about a few of them, but I will hint more on the low risk earnings, okay, where you have to stake BTC, GT, which is the Gate.io native token, USDT, and many more, and also enjoy stable 4 to 50% APR. Now, when we click on this is practical, right? So when we click on this more icon here, it basically takes us to other places within the navigator that you can see, and we have them right here. You can see under the end we have launch pool, hodler airdrop, simple earn, we have earn, we have staking, we have GT staking, we have ETH 2.0 staking. All right, we have crypto loan, we have dual investment, we have structured products, we have auto invest, we have quant fund, we have hodl and earn, we have get wealth, we have option strategies, we have recurring buying. Now all of these are systems that you can employ to make consistent profit. So I'm going to start with the launch pool. All right, the launch pool, Gate.io launch pool. Now, if we click on this, what does it tell you? All right. Now, stake to earn. Why choose Gate.io? Why do you choose Gate.io? All right. Launch pool allows users to stake assets and earn rewards. Now, I know the big question you want to ask is, why is Gate.io launch pool a great choice? Now, it's a great choice because we have what we call popular staking projects, where you can earn rewards from trending tokens such as Pi and many more. All right, such as Pi and many more. Okay, now let's go back again to the launch pool. We'll come back to that end and we'll see how as a trader you can make progress from this. Now, the second reason is because we have super high returns, APR up to 1,600%. All right. Now, a typical example is this alley pool. Let's see alley pool, for example. You can see it's in progress. When you click on trade now, you see ends in 9 days time. So in the 9 days time, which is on the 18th of April, it's going to end basically, right? So when you just click on stake, put in the max amount you want to use, and then click on confirm, and you are basically good to go. All right, so basically that's just the way it works. Then you have your ETH pool. Click on stake, put the amount. Estimated APR is 18.25%. Right, good. So these are actually some opportunities that you can take advantage of in the popular staking projects on the launch pool. Now, if we go back, all right, if we go back, we're going to see Nomi. Now, Nomi ends in 2 days time. If we click on trade now, Click on trade now. You're going to see the staking period and everything. All right, you can decide to buy into Nomi. You can decide to buy into Nomi, and then continue to make your profits easy, right? Amazing, isn't it? You see, you can trade it. All right, just buy into Nomi and you are good to go. Now, one of the easiest ways to make passive income using Gate.io is understanding their exclusive recommendations on the Earn and Simple Earn platform for different assets. Now we have USDT, BTC, and Ethereum. Now, if you see these three here, you see what I'm talking about. These three, we have USDT, we have BTC, we have Ethereum. Now, these assets under these exclusive recommendations, you're going to be giving bonuses, although they are flexible terms, but they are highly profitable. They are extremely profitable. So if we click on this now, let's see what USDT is. Look at 14 days. Look at 30 days. You are getting 4% for just 30 days. Plus 2.45% for USDT. This is almost risk-free. This is what? Almost risk-free. Because USDT is stable and it doesn't fluctuate. So you can be earning these conveniently every single month. You're earning your 4% every single month. Now, in 7 days, you can be earning up to 2.5% plus 10%. Okay? Amazing, isn't it? It's so amazing. Now, the reason I like this is because you can actually have your bonuses paid to you every single day. All right, now let's check out the other one. Let's check out BTC now. This is for flexible terms. Let's check out BTC. You see, look at BTC. Time redeemed immediately. So with this, there's no atom of delay at all. There's no atom of delay. Now let's go to Simple Earn and let me show you the fixed terms in which you can earn consistently. Look, this is all you need this year. Let's go to fixed term now so that you see it for yourself. This is fixed term for 30 days. Okay, let's see it. Standard APR 2.5% plus up to 10% bonus. Are you seeing what I'm saying now? Getting at least 10% or at most 10% risk-free on your investment every month is something that you should just keep on doing. Compound that for a year, that is almost 1,000. That is almost 100% and 1x. All right, a whole year. So imagine you putting up to $10,000. You're getting your $10,000 back at the end of the year, compounding. And it could be more because you're actually going to be getting a lot of bonuses attached to that. If you are not doing this, I really don't know what you are doing. Click on the link in the description of this video. Open an account, send me a DM. I'm going to guide you practically on how to do this. all right, on how to do this. Now, talking about Nomi pool, let's go back again. I've just showed you. You see, there are so many platforms here that you can take advantage of. I've not talked about the HODLER airdrop. I'm going to talk about it shortly. Okay, look at the Nomi pool I was talking about. Look at Nomi pool. Nomi pool is going to end in 2 days. Okay. Click on stake. Just stake some Nomi. You have to just buy Nomi. Stake some Nomi here. And you're going to be giving some amount. Okay. As simple as that. As simple as that. Now, in the ST and Nomi pool, new users registered in the last week can stake USDT to enjoy a high APR. Don't miss it, all right? So stake now. Now, I want to talk about the HODLER airdrop. Go talk about the HODLER airdrop. This is one amazing platform that you can take advantage of. Now, HODLER airdrop, you just hold at least 1 GT to claim new token airdrop. So all you have to do is hold the native token of Gate.io, which is GT. Now, the more GT you hold, the more new token airdrops you will get. As long as you hold GT, you can always participate in the HODLER airdrop projects and receive it for free. Now, this is true. I myself have received up to 25 US dollars in what? Airdrop. There are ongoing projects right now, CKP 1SOS. Now, it says participate now. And you see buy GT. If I want to buy GT now, okay, let me transfer my funds to spot. If I want to buy GT, I'll just come here. I think I have about $40 here. I just click on buy. I'll click on this buy icon here. Now, once I click on buy icon, automatically I've bought GT. You see, I've bought GT. So basically, this is how it works. Then I will go over to my HODLER airdrop and start participating. Just click on participate now. You see it? After you say within the individual participation cap, the more GT you have, the more airdrops you will receive. So go to spot trading and increase GT assets. Just keep buying your GT. Keep buying your GT. Now, holding 1 GT is enough to participate in the airdrop event. The more GT you hold, the more airdrop rewards you will receive. Now, this is a game changer, guys. This is a game changer. You can see right here. You can see right here the cumulative airdrops, how much it has amounted to, $32.41 million. Participants, a lot of people are participating in these things, guys. It's not every time you start trading, what do you call it now? Futures. It's not all about futures. You can make money here on your own while you are doing this, while you are just following what I'm doing. You can make consistent profit. So hit the link in the description of this video. Sign up a Gate.io account. Then DM me directly and I will guide you step by step on how to become financially free doing these simple things. All right, one love. Peace out. I'm going to see you in the next video of Gate.io.